Hello, students. I hope you're doing well. This is Dr. Gaddis speaking to BIOL1060 online at UCCS Fall 19. I have been hard at work trying to find a way to facilitate your lab's materials supply without purchasing a kit. Um, Here we are on the home page, and I sent you this announcement. And if you have Canvas on your phone, you would get it on your phone. But notice that the recent announcements show up right on top of a wiki page, which is the welcome page, but I'm going to be changing that soon since we're starting the next week tomorrow. Um, let's take a look at the syllabus because I updated the lab information. Okay, so I created a lab supply list so that we can complete our labs without buying a lab kit. And I'm writing the labs so that they mirror what we're doing in the classroom lab in Osborne. So if you haven't already, please take this survey to let me know if you are able to pick up supplies from my office hours. And I will go ahead and order those. If you are not in Colorado Springs or in the area, then you need to purchase these materials to complete the labs. And the total cost is $86, which is a vast improvement over 228 plus shipping, which is the historic kit price, and that keeps going up every semester. So I'm really trying to break the mold and do something different here. And in that vein, I hope that you will communicate with me and help this to be a success for you and all the students going forward. In that way, I would like for you to please email me in Canvas when you have questions, and let's just be flexible. Don't attack me if something is not exactly clear, and I promise I will make it clear in the fastest way I possibly can. So as we look into our classes, into our modules, we can see this lab link goes to the labs and gives you details about the structure of your work in lab online. And the first two labs are published here. And this is the first lab that will require materials. So I've tried to create some lead time. Now, if this material ordering process is slow to happen, then I will push this deadline back. Or I'll try to modify the lab so that we don't have to use materials. But this is really fun, and I really hope we get to do it. So looking ahead, there's no delay on your lab work. You can start these first two labs anytime you want. And then that lab 3-4 sequence will be the first one that requires materials. Then looking back into modules again, don't forget about the safety quiz. Hope if you haven't taken it, I will be emailing you. And then moving right along, we see here that we're passing out of the student introductions. We're in the scientific method discussion, and the first lab is due next Monday, a week from today. And then we go on to week 3 and we work on this discussion, and there we go. The process is the same. Discuss, do the lab, discuss, do the lab, and then at the end of a module, we get to a quiz. And the first quiz is September 23rd. So hopefully we'll have this lab done by this date. Otherwise, I'll have to push this date back too. But I don't want to do that. I hope we stay on track, and thank you for bearing with me for the good of you and future students in online biology at UCCS. Please email me in Canvas if you have any questions, and hopefully I will see you here in our discussions. Thank you.